I want to talk about how to create a nice, beautiful, colorful flower pot, and also how to create one with a very small budget. Probably should label this video both of those. Um, when we were all stuck at home and couldn't go out, I was actually going crazy because I love to go out in spring and buy flowers for my flower pots. So I stood in line 7 a.m. at Lowe's, went in finally, and bought all of these from their clearance sale. There are, let's see, four flower plants: petunia, two colors, marigold, and zinnia. And they cost me $1 each. And as you can see, the colors are beautiful. They go so well: yellow, orange, purple, and beautiful burgundy wine. And with some taking care of, watering them on time, very good potting soil, making sure they're nicely in. It took probably 4 weeks, 3.5, 4 weeks for them to look this beautiful. 1, 2, 3, 4, $4 for a beautiful pot like this. That's not bad.